Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set up headphones on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. This video will be divided into two sections. First we'll cover wired headphones, then we'll move on to Bluetooth headphones, so feel free to use the chapters to skip to the section you need. For wired headphones you have the choice of using the round 3.5mm connector or USB-C. Simply connect your headphones to the relevant port. Some USB-C headphones might not work. Once connected, nearly all headphones should work straight away, and you can test them by pressing the volume buttons to see the name of the headphones or sound device connected. We can also check in the audio settings and customize any further options. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the section called Audio, and first you could change the selected audio output source section to check your headphones are detected. You could then customize other headphone settings such as surround sound, and if your headphones have a mic attached, scroll down to the input section to check it's selected here. Change the volume for it, or test it to check it's picking up sound. We'll now move on to Bluetooth headphones. Head back to the System Settings app first, and then choose Bluetooth Audio from the menu on the left, and select the Add Device button on here, but you may want to read the information here first. It covers what you can and can't do with Bluetooth audio connected. After choosing Add Device, your Switch 2 will now start searching for Bluetooth devices, so you need to move your attention to your Bluetooth headphones or earphones. We need to get them into pairing mode. The method to do this can differ on each device. On some there will be a pair button, and other headphones will require you to hold down the power button for a long time. A light should start flashing indicating that it's pairing. Check online or in the product manual for your headphones pairing method if you're not sure. Once pairing, they should show up on the Switch 2 and you can select them from the list. They should now connect and you can choose OK. The headphones or earphones should work immediately, so turn up the volume to check. The Bluetooth audio page is where you can remove or disconnect the device if you needed to, which you can do by selecting your headphones here. Again, check the information on here as it shows the limits of using Bluetooth headphones. For example, any Bluetooth microphones won't work, and you can only use 2 wireless controllers. Just like with wired headphones, if you scroll down to the main audio settings, you can check the headphones are selected and customize related settings. If your headphones are wireless but use a dongle, you can try connecting this to the relevant port, and then they should work like wired headphones without any additional setup. That's how to set up headphones on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.